Hey you guys, I wanted you to see this before you do it because I want you to do it with a grown-up. Unfortunately, these circles are small, so we got to be kind of good with the computer with this. But I want you to have some fun with this. You're gonna need a dice, or if you're feeling brave, maybe 2 dice. What I want you to do is I want you to roll that dice. So I'm over here rolling my dice. And I rolled a 3. I want you to decide if you want to put it as a part or a whole. I'm going to start with 3 as my whole. So I'm going to delete the question mark and then write a 3. That's my whole. Now I want you to think, how can we break 3 into its parts? Well, I know I can do 2 plus, not 2, 2 plus 1. All right, now I want you to roll the dice again. Ooh, I rolled a 6, but this time I'm gonna make it a part. So I'm gonna type 6 right there. Now I get to fill in the other part in the whole. I think I'm gonna do 6 and 3, and then I'm gonna count on. So 6, 7, 8, 9. So then I get my whole. Now maybe you're feeling brave and you wanna roll 2 dice. Okay, so, I just rolled a 6 and a 6, you guys. What's 6 and 6? Oh yeah, 12. So I'm gonna put 12. Oh, do you guys see how that happened? This is where the grown-up can help you make the box a little bigger, okay? Let the grown-up help you with that. So 12 is my whole. How can I break 12 down? Any ideas? I think I am going to do 9 and 3. Okay, let's do one more. I am going to do 2 dice again. So roll, roll, roll. Okay, I just rolled a 5 and a 3. I know that's 8. So I'm going to put 8 as my part. And I'm going to do 8 and 2 because I know 8 and 2 make 10. Oh, there it goes again. Got to make my box bigger. Thank you, grown up, for helping me. So this is what I want you guys to do today, okay? I just want you to roll some dice, have some fun with making different part wholes.